Living room is full of stuff. Victor's hungry upstairs, so I've just prepared a little picnic. Just went to I was gonna say Sainsbury's. We just went to Tesco's, which is our local shop here. So I made a picnic, like I made a dining table out of the boxes because we don't have one yet. So I've got baba ganoush, we got some sausage rolls, I got this to try. It's a 3 hummus selection, looked quite good. Got some ham, and I think we're gonna have maybe some bagels with that, and I think I'm gonna take out some tomatoes as well. That's our lunch for today. I'm exhausted. I probably look like it too. We woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, so I am wrecked, but we also got a cheeky cola because I need some sustenance today. I think I'm gonna need some sugar to get me through unpacking. Also got some jam donuts. We've got a few random things that we had in the pantry left, and then I kind of got a few like fruits. I've got a dessert, and then I've got for dinner tonight some sausages, and then these are some roast potatoes. So I just got these because I figured it would be really easy to pop in and not have to worry about dinner tonight. And we got some eggs for tomorrow morning, got jam and butter. This was, yeah, just like a mini Tesco haul. I got some milk for Victor. So that's everything we picked from Tesco's. Oh, I got Victor some of these. Oh, we also got some of these for tonight to have as a snack. Got some orange juice, which I actually need to put in the fridge, and I got Victor these smoothies. He hasn't had these before. I'm not sure if he's gonna like them. He liked them in store, so we'll see. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and then have our improvised lunch at this dining table. Let's go see what the boys are up to. What are you doing, boys? Are you hungry?
A tad.
I know you are hungry. You had loads of snacks, didn't you? You rascal. Are you wiping your nose on me? He wants me to help him, but he's wiping his nose. Are you? Hey, cheeky rascal. Yeah, cheeky rascal. Yeah, cheeky rascal.
Honey.
Snuggles. Are you a bit tired?
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
I wonder more colors.
Well
Oh
done.
dear.
Look at this lunch I made.
Where are they?
Where are they? Here's lunch.
Where are they?
What are you looking for?
She's looking some more.
For some more. Look, do you want a smoothie with your lunch?
Yes, please.
Come, I'll show you the smoothie. Look, you can pick one.
No thanks, Mommy.
Okay then.
Beautiful.
A beautiful. If I were an animal, I'd be a whale.
Or jackal. You'd be a jackal.
What about the wolf? A wolf. Ow.
If I were an animal, I'd be a panda. Right, we've had lunch. I had a little coffee and I'm gonna get started with the kitchen, and the boys are out here. Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
I stay what? Bye-bye. Stay.
Bye bye. Victor's playing outside. So these are kitchen boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out where I'm gonna put everything, because this is a complete mess and I really need to sort this out. Okay, it might not look like it, but I'm making progress. This is the bin. It's got recycling as well, so I think that's really nice. And then I've put cleaning products in here. Obviously they're not really organized yet. I'm just trying to kind of put everything in cupboards so that there's more space around and kind of get rid of the boxes as much as possible. So that's the plan, and then like throughout the next few weeks I'm just gonna go through everything and kind of organize it better. So I've put cereals there. I'm not sure if they're gonna stay there or not, but that's kind of what I've done so far. And then the cleaning products, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put dishes and cups in there maybe. And then in here I've put some condiments and pastas. And then there's a few more random things here. Again, I think I'm just gonna organize this a bit better in time. And then there's this kind of rack for spices. Maybe if I get some jars to put up there, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I've got these two boxes opened, and I'm gonna go through them and take everything out and try to figure out a place for them. And I've put a lot of our clothes in between just so that they're kind of padded a bit better. So I'm gonna take these upstairs. So I've made a basket for things that need to go upstairs. So that's kind of my system, and then I'm gonna show you what I did. Don't laugh at me, but it actually worked really well, hopefully. I put all of the mugs and cups in, and anything kind of like glassware, in socks like in fluffy socks, and it worked really well to kind of keep them safe.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
2 boxes done. Well, so far the trick with the socks worked really well. Nothing's broken, everything's intact, which is really good. And it's really good because it saves you using a lot of bubble wrap, which obviously isn't recyclable. I did use a little bit of bubble wrap for a few things that were a lot more fragile, but these worked really well just in socks, so that saved me a lot of bubble wrap that I didn't need to use. And for example, I covered a lot of things in our clothes or in blankets. So this is just a blanket that we have from IKEA, and this is our slow cooker. So I just covered it up, and I also put a blanket inside of it so that it doesn't move around, and look, it's perfectly safe. So yeah, that's kind of what I did for packing. Still working on the kitchen. So I've put pots, pans in here. As I said again, I think I'm gonna move things around for a while until I kind of figure out how I like them. I've put more cups up there, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put baking trays are gonna go in here. These are gonna go on the table, but we don't have a table right now, so until it arrives it's gonna stay there. And then I've opened this box, which is also pots and pans, and again some more cups. And then I've got the kettle, and I think this is just some home decor and organizers and bits like that. So I'm gonna work on these two. I think I finished about 5 boxes already, and I feel like there's still so much to go through.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.
It is 5 p.m. and we are starving. So, Victor, are you hungry?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get started on dinner. It's gonna be really quick, just about 20 minutes. So we're having these potatoes with sausages, and I'm gonna make a tiny salad on the side. And just gonna pop that in the oven really quick.
Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Okay, kitchen is pretty much done, I think. I might move things around, and I still got, these are just empty boxes. I think I kind of got it as I wanted for the most part, so we'll see kind of how we get along. Yeah, I've put things like pots and pans in here, and then a few more bowls and things like that, and cutlery. I've got cleaning products which I need to organize in there. And then up here I've got glasses and then cups, and we've got all the plates here, and then mixer, and then random things for Victor as well. The ones at the top I can't really reach, so I'm only gonna put up there things that we don't really need on a daily basis. Oops. And then in here we've got some snacks for myself and my husband, and then we've got medicine and just kind of things like that. And then I really need to organize this one a bit better. I really like these shelves. I had these in the other flat. These I got from Amazon, really handy for storing things like this. So I think I'm gonna make this like a cans thingy. I have some cans up at the top there, but I really need to organize them. So yeah, I need to get some more pasta, so it's just not really super organized at the moment, but you know, you still need to get a few things. I really want to get some containers, like tiny ones that match. And then in here we've got snacks. That's Victor's snack box, and then cereal at the top. Yeah, so this is the coffee station that I've kind of prepared for tomorrow morning. It's really late now. It's 8 p.m. and Victor's just gone down for bedtime, and I'm exhausted. We woke up at 5 this morning. Just want to give you a quick overview, and then I'm gonna go to bed probably. So we've got some fruits, and then I've kind of set up this spice rack, some cooking utensils, and I also set up here the toaster and some bread. I just thought that would be like a good setup. I'll see, maybe I'll just kind of fiddle around and move them, but that's what it looks like for now.